Welcome back to the English grammar class. Hope all of you are doing well. In the last class, we have discussed the use of indefinite articles a and an. Today, we will discuss the use of the definite article the. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. When we speak of the same person or thing for the second time, we use the. And when we talk more about the same person or thing, we use the instead of a or an. For example, a girl is sitting on a bench. In this sentence, we use a girl because here it is the first time we are talking about a girl who is sitting on a bench. Now we are going to say something else about that same girl. The girl is looking worried. We used the before the noun girl because girl is known to the listener. That is why the speaker who is telling about the girl uses the girl is looking worried. Here, which is the girl? It is the girl who is sitting on the bench. Now let us speak more about the bench. The bench is made up of wood. We use the before the word bench because we have already spoken about the bench in the first sentence. We have said a girl is sitting on a bench. So we have already spoken about the bench. So when we write all these three sentences together, we can write in this way. A girl is sitting on a bench. The girl is looking worried. The bench is made up of wood. In the first sentence, we are using a girl and a bench because we are talking about the girl and the bench for the first time. Now look at the second sentence. We are talking about the same girl. That is why we use the girl. The girl is looking worried. So in the second sentence, we use the girl. And we are talking about the bench in the third sentence. So we write the bench is made up of wood. We have already talked about the bench in the first sentence. That's why we use the bench in the third sentence. So, the is used when we talk about something which we have already mentioned. The is also used before the names of holy books and newspapers and magazines. For example, the Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Look at the next example. The Hindu is the best newspaper. Here, the Hindu is the name of a newspaper. Look at the next example. I read the Malayalam Manorama. We all know that Malayalam Manorama is the name of a newspaper. The article the is also used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges. Look at these examples. The Himalayas is in the north of India. Look at the next example. The Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. The is also used before the names of nations or races or a whole group of people. For example, we say the Hindus. We can write as the Hindus go to temples. Look at the next example. The French defeated the Germans. The article the is also used before the superlative degree of adjectives. We say Fatima is the tallest girl in the class. Here the word tallest is the superlative degree of adjective tall. So we use the tallest. Look at another example. Rose is the most beautiful flower. Here most beautiful is the superlative degree of adjective. So we use the before most beautiful. We write the most beautiful. Now it is very important to remember where we should not use article the. We should not use the before the names of days and months. We should not write the Monday, the Tuesday, the April or the June. So do not use the before the names of days or months. We also do not use the article the before the names of towns, countries, streets or persons. We should not write the Anirudh is going to the Australia. What is the right way of writing this sentence? We should write Anirudh is going to Australia. We should never write the before the names of persons, countries, towns, days or months. We should not write any article before proper noun. The names of a person, place, country, street, etc. are proper nouns. We should not use any article before proper nouns. Do not use any article with the names of languages. It is wrong to say he is learning the Spanish. We should not use any article before the names of languages. So here in this sentence, the use of the before the word Spanish is wrong. Then how do we write this in correct way? He is learning Spanish is the right way of writing this sentence. Hope it is clear to you. We also do not use any article with the names of meals. For example, it is wrong to say I like to eat the breakfast early. There is no need of the article the before the word breakfast because breakfast is the name of a meal. Hope you have understood today's class. We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.